Today, we're going to show you how to display tagged photos on Facebook using your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. Start by opening Facebook on your PC. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. Next, click on Settings and Privacy, and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the left side of the screen and click on Privacy. This will take you to the Privacy Settings section. Now click on Profile and Tagging to manage your profile visibility and tagging settings. Beside the option, Who can see what others post on your profile, click on the drop-down menu to expand it. Select Everyone to allow all users to see what others post on your profile. This will ensure that tagged photos are visible to a wider audience. Once you've made your selection, click on Done to save the changes. By following these steps, you can easily control who can see tagged photos on your Facebook profile using your PC, enhance your profile visibility, and connect with others seamlessly. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through displaying tagged photos on Facebook. Stay tuned for more informative content and tips on social media management.